Just as Ed Bryant introduced the North American market to paving stones in the early 1970s, Angelo and Tony Risi kick-started the retaining wall category when they developed and patented 𝐸𝐸ZA the first segmental retaining wall system of its kind. The system was simple yet effective. High-strength, solid concrete blocks that interlocked with a continuous tongue and groove to form a structurally stable retaining wall. The product was installed dry-stacked without mortar, so it was considered to be structurally flexible and didn't require the 1.2-meter foundation depth that was common within Canada for frost protection. By the late 1970s, the Risi brothers had invested in a large manufacturing plant in Gormley, Ontario. They set their sights on improving upon the original 𝐸𝐸ZA concept and eventually developed their flagship 𝐸𝐸ZA 2 product, a wall system that continues to be sold today. Over the next 2 decades, Risi Stone developed a wide range of unique segmental retaining wall systems, many of them industry firsts, including massive machine-placed systems such as Sienna Stone, DuraHold, DuraHold 2, and Sonoma Stone. With weights up to 1,750 pounds per block, these heavy-duty systems created an entirely new market segment. In 1993, Angelo and Tony sold their manufacturing facilities to Unilock, but continued Risi Stone Systems as a company to license Risi products across the US, Malaysia, and Australia. Unilock began manufacturing their products under a licensing agreement and continues to operate the Gormley plant today. Eventually, Angelo took over the licensing part of the company, and Tony assumed a role at Unilock, providing wall system training to Unilock staff and contractors across the US and Canada. Today, Risi Stone continues to innovate, working with Unilock manufacturing plants to develop and refine revolutionary new products like Rivercrest, Sienna Edge, and Sienna Smooth. In this way, they will be forever recognized as hardscape industry legends.